What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do the final review over the Vosteed Mini Acorn, and this is probably like the fourth or fifth take. I don't know. I lost track because would start the video, and then I'd start talking about it, obviously, and I'd get to the handle, and it's G10. And I knew it was G10 because the way it felt in my hand and looking at it, but I wrote down Micarta because I don't know why. Because I usually take a few notes real quick just on general information, just stuff like that, just random stuff, just to make sure I remembered it, like almost like speaking points, just to try to get certain information out there. And for some reason, I thought I'm pretty daggone sure on the website it said Micarta because it also said this was Micarta, and I thought that's not right. I was tripping balls, y'all. I was tripping. Because yes, I swear it said Micarta when I had written down this crap, and so I'm like, that's not right. That's not right. Because I started doing the videos, I'm like, holy crap, this kept screwing with me. So that's why. Because I finally I gave up, and I was like, I know this is G10, and I had to look it up finally, and it is yeah, I was right obviously because I know what G10 is in Micarta. This was not Micarta, and I tripped balls probably for 5 minutes. I swear, y'all. That's all right though. But this thing is awesome though. Let's get back on track, right? The full length version was a good knife. I really liked it. I think it was very good quality. What it was, I don't remember the price of it. The only thing that killed me on the variations was the color scheme. I don't think I liked any of the color schemes on them, and I think it killed it as a knife. And I try to give it like a fair review, obviously, because I don't want colors of the handle or whatever to give a crappy review just because I don't like the colors, obviously, because there's a lot that goes into a knife. I like opening, closing, liner lock, this, that, the feel of the handle, the yada yada yada. And I wanted to give it a fair review. So overall, the full length version was a pretty good knife, and I like this one better though. I like it because it's the fifth pocket carry for me and fits perfect in an EDC pouch or extra pocket. Like I said, it's pretty phenomenal little knife. You got a drop point with that 14C 28N. Got that nice black stonewash going on for you. You got that G10 scale. So I just get that out there. Um, I really like this also just because of the color scheme. I do like the black and the gold. I don't know why. Gold I'm not usually real into, but it goes together on certain knives, and this is definitely one that I would say pops. Like it definitely pops really well with it. It does feel pretty light, not too bad on weight. Opens very well, very smooth. And it's a front flipper too, so you know I'm gonna like it pretty much for the most part. I'm a front flipping person. So like I said, it opens very smooth. Great jimping on it. It's got the bigger jimping, but it's aggressive, and I like that part of it. Not going to slip or anything like that, obviously. You have a little bit jimping right there, and it comes with a little bit right there, just so obviously your hand has that full squeeze that you can put onto it and not slip. So I like that. The liner lock obviously works very well. And what I liked also, it had a little bit of jimping right here, a little texture right there, so it's easily maneuverable, like accessible. No problem there closing it. Like it's got a gold little pivot collar, or not pivot collar, lanyard hole right there, so I like that. I think that's cool. I like it. It looks great overall. The pocket clip is not ambidextrous. I'm sorry, lefties. It sucks. But at least that it is recessed, though, and so are the screws. So that's cool. That's a great little thing right there. Um, what else? Let's get some measurements real quick for you. Yeah, there we go. So, cutting edge. Where is the cut? Okay, there we go. I can kind of see it now. Cutting edge is about, I want to say right at 2 inches, just about. Maybe I'm gonna say maybe a hairball over 2. Overall length though is 6 inches, so that's a fifth pocket carry to me. I think so. Nice little thing, I'm telling you. Let's get a weight real quick. 2.7. I thought it was a little heavy, but I didn't think it was that heavy. So it's light. Don't get me wrong, it's light, but it's a little heavier than I thought it was going to be. That's all right though. Still an excellent knife. I don't know if I told you 14C 28N. 14C. Didn't tell you a price. I'll tell you that in a second. It's very, very, very affordable, which is nice. Oh, I grabbed a T6. I don't like T6, so let's not grab that. We'll hopefully hope for a T8. T8 for the pivot. T6 for everything else. So at least you got the pivot, as a T8. There we go. Price point. Super, super pretty cheap. 49 bucks. Go to Vosteed. Check it out. Yeah, 49 bucks. That's really not bad for a fifth pocket carry. You got 14C 28N. You got a G10 handle. Pretty light. Nice choil. Not a great finger choil, which is nice since it is a smaller knife. I like that when they put those choils right there. It definitely helps choke up just so you can get your whole hand on there. Now, if I wasn't to have it on there, like I guess I'd put my hand right here. Obviously, you got that pinky floating in the wind. That's not a very fun feeling. So that is just excellent right there. And the jimping does help out. Like obviously, I'd probably put my hand more or my thumb more out. But since the jimping's not there, I probably won't, just to make sure my hand stays on the knife, on the blade. So the jimping does help. It does feel better. But ergonomically, it feels great, especially for a small knife. Like Vosteed's popping. I'm telling you, they're doing the right things. They know what they're doing. This is the Raccoon Cub. So there's a size comparison. Relatively still small. Let's check out the full-length Raccoon. So you can see the difference. It's quite a big difference in it. Super nice though. It really is. It's a super nice little knife. Let's check out the Mini Labrador. I like this little thing. It's crazy, but I do. There you go. Small knives. And I'll probably show the same thing on the other review for the Cub later when I get to that. But super cool knife. It's really nice. Check it out. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Yeah, excellent. It has my 10 out of 10. Not really, but it's got 2 thumbs up. How about that? But that's all I got. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, just let me know down in the comment section. If you like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.